Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry's air filters. First, gather your supplies, including a new engine air filter, a new cabin air filter, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You will find the engine air filter housing under the hood, usually on the driver's side. The cabin air filter is typically located behind the glove compartment. Always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool before you start this simple maintenance task. To replace the engine air filter, begin by locating the black plastic air filter box in the engine bay. You will see 2 to 4 metal clips holding the lid in place. Simply unclip these. Gently lift the cover and pull out the old filter. Take a moment to check for any leaves or dirt inside the housing and clean it out. Observe how the old filter was seated to ensure your new one goes in correctly. Now, carefully insert your brand new engine air filter into the bottom half of the housing. Make sure it sits flat and is properly seated all the way around without any gaps. Reposition the housing lid, ensuring any tabs on the side slip into their notches. Then, firmly push down the cover and re-engage all the metal clips until they lock into place. This simple step takes only a few minutes and significantly benefits your engine. For the cabin air filter, open your glove compartment and empty its contents. Gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stoppers, allowing it to lower completely. You will then see a rectangular plastic cover. Unclip it to reveal the old cabin air filter. Slide out the old filter, noting the airflow direction, and insert the new one with the arrow pointing down. Reassemble the cover and glove box, a task taking about 5 to 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.